Guys, 1962 Cadillac Coupe Deville. Look at this sucker. Look how long this thing is. Got the sexy white walls. Had a full restore done a while back, but it ended up at Coupe. You know why? See, this is the good side. That's why I'm recording this side. You guys want to see the other side? Do you? Do you really want to see it? You want to see it, Jared? You saw it already? Anyways, this is the good side. As you guys can see, it's clean, all there. Really nice. And then you come to this side and you get sad. Like, I'm sad now. Because I got a 69 Coupe Deville. Mine's convertible, but this is 62. And I'm sad. Are you sad, Timmy? It hurts, man. I don't like seeing cars get damaged. But somebody sideswiped it all the way, like, all the way across. Look at the damage. It used to be sexy purple. Then they made it black. That's cool. I don't know, they're talking about me. Boys, look at them. Look, they're whispering. Anyways, let me show you guys what we did on it. So when they sent it to Coupe smashed all this pipe that was here. You can see still some remnants of it here. But they smashed it here, they smashed it up. The oil pan, and then they smashed all this pipe. I'm gonna show you guys. So we had to remake it all the way. We had to remake it all the way from the headers to the mid pipe. So it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. There, up there, put a new gasket in there on each side, all that good stuff. Then it's got two glass packs, one there, 18 inches long. Then 2 1/4 pipe continues. That was original, somebody else did it. They did a good job on it, on each side. And this frame is called the X frame on these older cars, as you guys can see. So to run exhaust is a pain because it's a lot of work to run the exhaust on it. But once it's done, it's done. It takes about like 6 or 7 sticks of pipe for the exhaust to get done. So anyways, 2 1/4 continues, then over the rear end on each side. Look at the intricacy of how much bending was needed. And you can't bend it in one piece. It has to be bent in 2 pieces because our benders, this one right here, doesn't bend that close of bends. So you have to do it in 2 pieces, not a mandrel bender. On each side, there's the tailpipes there. Same thing on this side. Look, it's so tucked in on that side right there. And it's got airbag suspension, as you guys can see, which is cool. It can be dropped. There's the airbags on it. But that's it out the back. There it is, 62 Coupe Deville. And as you guys, like I was telling you guys, when I say Coupe crushed it up, they literally crushed it up. Look at that. Look how they crushed the pipe, which is insane. You know, because they use forklifts to lift the cars onto the tow trucks. They just get it and do it. And that was both sides. So it looks a lot better. I don't know how he drove it here, but he did. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Well, you guys can see there's for the airbags right there. Look at this car. Other than that little wreck that it has, the car is in perfect shape. It's immaculate. It's been restored a while back. It's just been sitting. But there, so clean. I like it. There's a door panels. Look at that. Doors, huge. Electric doors. And then you got the little crank right here. You can crank them both. So they got this as electric, but they got this hand crank. I like that. Best of both worlds, man. What is that? Oh, that's for the lights right there. There's the clock there, and then the AC. It's only got 3,892. It might have rolled over, but I don't know.
Yeah.
You think it rolled over?
At least a couple times.
A couple of times. That's what my guy thinks, so. I don't know. Well, here we go. We're going to start. 1962 Coupe Deville. Huh? Nice. I like the light design on it. That's cool. Look at that, double lights. It's still idling up. sound decibel is on idle. Right at 80. Not crazy loud because it's got so many bends in the pipe and stuff with the glass back. It's not even that loud. Just letting it warm up. Bad sounding at all. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95. No reverse lights back in the day. That's crazy. She's low. Low and slow.
Yeah.
Ooh, Ramon, Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well then, let's cruise, baby.
Low and slow.
But it looks cool. I hate to see the damage on it, but he's gonna fix it up. So it's still cool. How long this sucker is. Wow, look how much I gotta back up. That's a nice picture right there. Oh. What do you guys think of this beat? It's got a manifold leak. They're gonna take it to a mechanic next. But it still sounds good though. Get the good side. He's gonna fix all that, and it is for sale. If you guys want it, let me know in the comments, and I'll lead you guys in the right direction to pick it up. He's our neighbor down the road. Look at that thing. What a beast. Very nice. Enjoy, guys.